In a world of fast fashion and disposable products, why would you shop at a company like USA Kilts? Simple. Because you care. You care about heritage, you care about quality, you care about what's truly timeless. Fast fashion and trendy toys won't forge a meaningful bond between you and your family. No heirloom was ever made out of plastic or came from some massive factory. Look, we're all caught up in the daily grind. Your cell phone can help record your memories, but it won't make them. Only you can do that. But when you turn down the volume, cut out the distractions, you'll see what really matters. Loved ones, shared experiences, connections to the past and to the future. You see who really matters. That's what we care about here at USA Kilts. With every item we make, our hope is that it will become something cherished, part of a family's story. We're proud to know that when people shop with us, they come away with something that they'll make memories with. And they'll love that item as much as we loved making it. Sometimes we know exactly what that memory will be. A wedding, a holiday, a birthday. Other times, we can only imagine. But we sense the joy our creations bring, and that is what motivates us. USA Kilts offers wearable pieces of art that you'll be proud to give a loved one as a connection to a greater history. An heirloom waiting for a story. This holiday season, remember, when you shop with USA Kilts, it's not just a gift you're giving. It's a memory that you're creating.